whatever you perform in the laboratory, that actually in a commercial level it comes as it is or not, you cannot predict. Okay, so they file patent application on some, I'm not talking about wrongful thing, but they imaginary thing. They file patent application and imaginary thing. For example, they claimed for image peak mesylate for formation of different polymer form with a different temperature, with different solubility. But when you perform this experiment, when you read these patent applications, and according to procedure, when you perform it into the laboratory, it doesn't show that type of results. Means एक्चुअली बोले ने क्या किया कि यूनिली कंपनी का जो प्रोडक्ट है वही मैन्युफैक्चर करके लॉन्च किया, ये बैक एंड पे किया और दिखाया गया पब्लिक डोमेन को ये नया पॉलीमॉर्फिक फॉर्म है। वो सब क्लेम जो किया है वो प्रेडिक्टेबल क्लेम है, इमेजिनरी क्लेम है, वो एक्चुअली लैबोरेटरी में रिप्लिकेट किया तो होता ही नहीं। सो ये पब्लिक डोमेन को पता चलती कि बहुत सारे इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारे साइंटिस्ट रहते हैं, वो रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग भी करते हैं। तो आपका पेटेंट एक बार पब्लिक डोमेन में आया, कोई दूसरा साइंटिस्ट ने पढ़ा तो उसको डाउटफुल लगाएगा तो वो एक ट्रायल करके देखेगा, ऐसा नहीं आया तो वो क्लेम करेगा। उन्होंने क्लेम किया एज अ पोस्ट ऑन एप्लीकेशंस, देन द एप्लीकेशन गोज इनटू द हाई कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट रिजेक्टेड दिस इमेजिनरी mesylate product license and patent in India and product withdrawn from the market. So loss कितना हुआ तो बहुत इसका बहुत सारा लॉस हुआ। So this is the commercially possible or made by industry, otherwise utilized by industry. So that is called as a commercial building. Okay. And next we move to property. So actually the intellectual property is one of the properties called as an intangible property. And apart from the intangible property, the main property that is called as tangible property. Different range when we get such type of graph. So when you do, when I perform it practically, so I get similar results. So that's why we get similar results. You see here, these are the bone type of cells. These are in the nanoscale. These are the microscale. So the nanoscale and these are the microscale. So when you see under this particular slide, the order microscale.